Okay guys, well today I'm going to be picking this lock here, which is another American Series 1105. Thanks once again dellboy1987 for the lock. As you can see, it's working fine with the key. There we have the bitting on the key, which is a 76383 bitting on that one. So let's see if we can get this one picked on camera. There we go, that's picked. That's the American Series 1105 in orange, SPP. Thanks again dellboy for the lock, and thanks for watching. Keep watching, because we'll be posting some more videos soon. Please leave your comments and please rate the video. Cheers.